Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing power and a quick forced reboot to clear temporary hangs. Hold power and volume down together for about 10 to 20 seconds. This forces a restart without waiting. Once the device boots, check whether apps reopen automatically. If they do, close background apps now. Make sure to note unsaved data before proceeding. If the screen responds after reboot, observe behavior for a few minutes to confirm stability before moving to deeper fixes. Once done with a basic reboot, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. This disables add-ons and shows stock behavior. If freezes stop, uninstall the apps you added or updated just before problems began. Make sure to clear cache and, if necessary, app data from settings apps for any suspect app. You can also update apps and system software now. Outdated components often cause instability, so keep everything current to prevent repeat freezes. If earlier steps don't resolve the freeze, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove deep software corruption. This restores default system files. After resetting, update the OS and reinstall apps selectively to avoid reintroducing the problem. If you cannot access settings, boot to recovery mode and wipe the cache partition first. It's less drastic and can fix corruption without losing data. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer. Hardware issues can mimic freezes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.